How to set up a Schwab account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, simply search for schwab.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and decide what kind of account suits your journey. For that, go ahead and tap on open an account, and then you'll be able to find different kind of options. Brokerage accounts are for those who want to dabble in stock and mutual funds. Retirement accounts are for those that think traditional or Roth accounts for future beach houses. And Schwab Bank Investor Checking Account is the one that pairs with your brokerage account. You want to go ahead and simply choose the one that you prefer. And once you choose it, you want to go ahead and tap onto it. Just like so, inside here, you want to go ahead and tap on Get Started. Now inside this section, you want to go ahead and fill in the blanks. You need to provide your personal information, including all of your social security number, mobile phones, and email address. And once you have cleared all of these sections, you'll then be able to create an account. With your account funded, you are ready to invest in all-in-one tap tickets, research tools, and mobile app. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.